Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a default web browser for your MacBook. Maybe you're currently using Safari or any other type of web browser, but you want to use a different web browser as your default browser. So all you need to do is to go on the icon of your MacBook on the top left-hand corner and click on System Settings. So this box appears. It could also be preferences because it depends on what kind of MacBook you've got. It's either System Settings or preferences. So when you click on it, you find desktop and dock. Does it there? Desktop and dock. So here, just look for default browser or something like that. Does it here? So there is a drop-down box on the right-hand side of it. From here, you can choose what you prefer as your default browser. In my own case, currently I have Opera, but you can choose Google Chrome, for instance, if that's what you want. So basically, here you are going to have the list of all the browsers that you've got. Once you choose the one you want, then that's it. You will be able to use that as your default browser. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.